How do I turn on my JLAB Bluetooth earbuds?
Welcome everyone to today's tutorial. In this video, we are going to be covering a very important topic: how to turn on your JLAB Bluetooth earbuds. So, if you just bought a pair, or if you've had some lying around but couldn't figure out how to get them started, this video is for you.
Locating the power button.
First things first, let's start by locating the power button. On most JLAB Bluetooth earbuds, the power button is typically found on the side of each earbud. It could be a small button or a touch-sensitive area, depending on your specific model.
Turning the earbuds on.
Next up, turning on your earbuds. For most models, you will press and hold the power button for about 3 seconds. Once they are on, most earbuds will make a small sound or the LED light will flash to indicate that they're powered up.
Connecting the earbuds to your device.
Once the earbuds are on, the next step is to connect them to your device. Turn on your device's Bluetooth and look for the name of your JLAB earbuds in the list of available devices. Tap on the name to connect. Your earbuds might make a sound or the LED light might change color to indicate that they're connected to your device. And that's all there is to it. You should now be able to power on and connect your JLAB Bluetooth earbuds to your device with ease. We hope this video has been helpful. If you have any other questions related to your JLAB earbuds, feel free to drop them in the comments section. Happy listening!